A long time ago, in a quiet village, lived a horse named Brownie. His heart carried a heaviness no one could see. Brownie worked tirelessly, pulling carts, carrying loads, and walking miles every single day. People admired his strength, but no one noticed his sadness. Each morning, as the sun rose, Brownie would sigh. "Why is my life only struggle?" he wondered. His legs ached, his back hurt, and his spirit felt tired. He envied the carefree horses who played all day without responsibility. One evening, after a long day of work, Brownie collapsed near an old tree. An elderly farmer sat beside him and gently said, "You think your struggles are a burden, but they are shaping you into something greater." Brownie did not understand. Days passed, and a sudden storm hit the village. Roads were destroyed, and carts broke down. The villagers were in trouble. Food needed to be transported, and people needed support. Brownie stepped forward. Despite exhaustion, he carried supplies through muddy paths and worked through the storm. His strength, built through years of hardship, made him the only one capable of helping everyone. When the storm ended, the village was safe because of him. For the first time, Brownie saw the truth. His struggles had not been meaningless. They had prepared him for a moment where he could make a difference. From that day on, he walked with pride, not sadness. Life is no different for us. The difficulties we face daily may seem unfair, but they are quietly building our strength, patience, and resilience. One day, those very struggles will become the reason we rise above others. Struggles don't break you, they make you great.